The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse Story. The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse Story. On a sunny and pleasant day, a city mouse decided to visit one of his relatives who lived in the village. The country mouse, who was very excited and happy to see the city mouse, brought out everything he had in his nest to entertain the city mouse: wheat grains, grass stalks, roots, and delicious acorns. He also brought the city mouse some cool water to wash his hands and face. The city mouse didn't eat much at all. He just tasted a little of the food, but he thought the food was very tasteless. So he frowned a little, but tried to be polite and not be rude. After dinner, the two mice chatted a lot. The city mouse talked enthusiastically about the attractions and benefits of the city, and the country mouse listened with excitement. That night they slept soundly in the country mouse's nest until morning. The country mouse, who really wanted to see everything the city mouse had told him about, when the city mouse asked him, "Would you like to come to the city with me?" His eyes lit up and he said excitedly, "Oh yes, please." After a long journey and a lot of walking, they reached the city where the city mouse lived. They were very tired and hungry. They went into a large living room with a table full of food: jellies, cakes, and very, very delicious cheeses. Foods that the country mouse had never even seen in his dreams. The country mouse, who loved sweets, filled his paw with sweets. But as he was about to take a bite, he heard the meow of a cat scratching at the door. The two little mice, who were very scared, went to a small shelter and had to stay there for a long time. They were too scared to breathe. After a long time, the city mouse looked out of the shelter and saw that the cat had gone. They were about to go back to the table and eat the delicious food when the cook came in to clean the table, and behind the cook was a big dog barking loudly and saying, "Woof, woof, woof." The country mouse, who was very scared and frustrated, quickly went to the city mouse's nest, packed his belongings into his small suitcase, and packed his bags. The country mouse said, "Excuse me, but I have to go. It's true that I don't have a big house or delicious food like you, but I prefer the simple, peaceful, and safe life I have in the countryside to this chaos. A simple life is much better than luxurious troubles." And he ran away from there as fast as he could.